Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. So today I am here in central Las Vegas, and this is not like the homes that I normally tour or the type of communities here in Las Vegas that we do video home tours. However, today I want to do a video home tour on this property right here. Now, I know you guys are looking around and it looks pretty desolate, but however, the location here, okay, the location is on point. What I mean by that is I literally live right down the road. We are centrally located here in Las Vegas, and a lot of these lots are huge lots. You won't get that anymore. Las Vegas Boulevard is just literally 2 blocks away west of this home here, so just right back up this way. Okay, we also have Windmill, all the shopping here, freeway access. Also, you have the Blue Diamond right here. Okay, so we're pretty much wedged between Henderson and Summerlin at this time. So this home right here was actually built in 1974. I know that sounds very, very old, right? However, it's the lot, it's the dirt what you're buying here. And this is where the value is. It's almost about 50,000 square feet. Okay. Now this was actually a rehab property. But we're gonna go inside. We're gonna take a look. So this one right here, the asking price is $759,999. So as you can see, we have a septic tank here. A lot of times with these septic tanks, you'll have a leach field. Also, what's great about this location is a lot of these properties are all pretty much zoned for horse property. You can't get something like this right in this neighborhood that's like close to the strip here. A lot of this stuff, you'll notice the floor plan is outdated. However, looks like they added some can lighting here, did some painting. So let's take a look. Let's see what they have here. Everything's not on par. This is just kind of like a quick flip. I mean, I'm gonna be real with you. I mean, it probably looks nice on the video. However, attention to detail is not there. But again, the value is really in the land. As you can see, the window here. As you can see, I forget what those are called. The gasket, I think it was. It's coming out because it's so hot. Here's the 2-car garage. Now, if you notice in the 2-car garage here, uh-oh, I'm getting a call. Yo, what's up, York? Hello? Yeah, what's up? Okay, cool. How was it? Okay, good. Oh, is he really? Oh, okay. Hey, let me give you a call back because I'm actually doing a video home tour, dude. All right, bye. All right, sorry about that, guys. Let me go back to the description. I shouldn't have answered the phone, but I thought it was a very important call. So this home is 1,984 square feet, 4 bedrooms, sort of 3 toilets, and it is permitted for horse property too, as well, like I was saying. All right, so let's really take a look at this. So flooring here, we have a luxury laminate flooring, which is really nice. You have the full overlay shaker cabinets. Okay. On this one, these are not MDFs. However, these are that very light maple with the side rails or the side glides here. Quartz again. Attention to detail, like I said, it's not all going to be there. However, you are buying this based upon the land. You got gas. A lot of homes in this neighborhood will be gas. fireplace. I like how they did this cladding right here, and it just added a nice 48-inch linear fireplace. Did some color blocking here. This definitely looks like an add-on for sure. So it tells me that they had to add this window shaker here, so that way they can supply some air conditioning in this little section. So as we come down this way, what do we have here? Bathroom. I think this is such a great idea though. So that way you don't have that sliding glass door. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna take a picture of this, and I may end up doing this with one of my own properties. Also, today's a good day. We just closed on another property today. Laundry room. Ooh, not bad. So in this one, it looks like they had to do some duct work here for the exhaust, for the dryer. Brand new drain line. They added a sink here. This is very unique. This looks like a Home Depot. Here's the door that takes you back out to the garage. And I noticed the garage wasn't insulated and completely open on the ceiling there. Here's another window shaker that they built in. These windows here are just the dual pane windows. However, they don't have the low E on here. Pretty small room though. Here's the garage again. We're not going to go out that way. Don't feel like going out. Let's take a look at this. We have some nice recessed lighting. All right, we looked at that room, so let's come here, see what we have. It's the original door. They just painted the door. Get your walk-in closet. I was being sarcastic, so. All right, let's take a look on this side. Get the light on this side here. Okay, so we just got a ceiling fan. I don't know, would you guys buy more of a newer home for $800,000 and have like a lot size of only like 1,300 square feet on the lot size? Or would you buy something like this because you see the potential? Now this investor, they have many homes that they have been flipping. But I notice what they do is they kind of like turn and burn. Now on their high-end side, I noticed they put some money into the high-end side of their flips. These ones, I don't want to say lipstick on a pig because that just sounds so horrible. But again, the only reason why I would be buying this is just for the land. Now I got another call coming in. I was actually waiting for the power company, because on the deal that we just closed, I'm trying to get some power to that property so that way we can already start the rehab. Oh, here's the extra room, which, okay. There's like so many add-ons on this thing. Let's see if I can find a key here to get in here. Okay. Okay, so this add-on here, there is no air conditioning unit, so this would just be like a storage. But I mean, take a look at this. Oh, it looks like they even have their own well. Oh, that's crazy. The good news about your own well here is that you can use as much as water as you want. Now, this is where the value is here, guys. You could literally, I want you to think about this. This is over an acre, right? You can literally demo this house, get rid of this house, regrade this whole yard, and put 4 homes on here. And that's the purpose of this video, is the value opportunity. And all you have to have is some sort of creative mind, and obviously you're gonna have to have some money to put behind it. But I mean, take a look at this. If you do a perimeter wall all the way around, you do a driveway down the center with the cul-de-sac, everybody could have a pretty big yard. Originally there was another air conditioning unit over here, I can just tell by looking at the shingles here. Different color shingles. There was another package unit there. They actually got rid of it. I'm not saying that this investor did that, but somebody did. Let's walk around this way here. And this being horse property, think about this. If you had 4 homes, then you had stables as well. Wouldn't that be some value to you? Also, this looks like there's a well here, right? Which is probably your own well. It's grandfathered in. Obviously, you would have to do the research and check, just to double check. Never rely on a real estate agent. Make sure to get all your ducks in a line. And use all the water you want. I know you guys are probably thinking this is such a boring video, but I'm just curious to see if all the viewers out there see the value in this property. I don't know, what would you pay for this property? I'm gonna go back inside here. We're gonna lock up the back door. Just wanted to walk around. Should we walk around the other way too? Guess might as well. Just turn off all this lights here. Got the old school rocker switch. The original rocker switch. Definitely cute with this yellow door, that's for sure. Alright, let's come along this side here. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video home tour. If you guys want more information about this property, I will have a link in the description of the video, and also have a link in the comments as well. Also, don't forget to tune in tomorrow. We have a attorney from Tri-Law that specializes in probates, quiet title, HOAs, litigations. So tomorrow's gonna be a good show. So if you guys have any questions, you guys can call in live with your real estate questions. Other than that, I do appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. I'm Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and be blessed, guys. Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.